Hello everybody, Rick with Shine Lab Detailing here. In today's video I'm going to demonstrate my 3-gallon wash system, and it's really 5 gallons. It's a 3-gallon wash tank, and then I have 2 gallons of wash water that goes in the bucket. 3 gallons rinse, 2 gallons washed. And one of the benefits of this system is that I can use hot water. So being that it's coming up on November here, that comes in real handy. And so I'm just going to fill these 2 1-gallon jugs, and then we'll get started. So we're on our way to today's job, and I'm going to demonstrate my wash system. And I just had a couple more things I wanted to say about it. Number one is the water will stay warm, even with up to a 30 or 40-minute drive. It'll be nice and warm when we get there. And the other thing is that I'm not saying this is the best wash system out there. I realize there's the 2-bucket and the 3-bucket system with grid guard. I do have a grid guard, by the way, and those are all great. I'm all for it. I'm just saying this is what I'm using now, and I'm satisfied with it. I'm not going to invest any more into this system, into my wash system. The 3-gallon tank that I'm using, I think that's the minimum you can use. I have tried other tanks, like a 2-gallon, and they just don't give enough pressure. So I do think that at the very minimum you need at least a 3-gallon tank. So, and I'm not saying that you should use this system. I'm just saying this is what works for me. You know, there's a lot of great products and equipment out there. I do like the $100 electric pressure washers. I think they work great. I'm probably going to get a foam cannon for my home garage shop. And ultimately, being in business for yourself, it's about doing what you want. So I just want to show you guys how I'm doing it, and I think for somebody starting out that doesn't have a lot of money to invest, this is a good way to start. Alright, so just gonna wet the wheel first. I like this Eagle One wheel cleaner, etching mag wheel cleaner. I've never had a wheel I couldn't clean with this. So if this doesn't clean it off, it's not coming clean. So spray it in there real good and agitate. I'm using a toothbrush. And then just rinse it off. These insides of this rim haven't been cleaned in a while, so I'm gonna have to hit it one more time. Hit it with the big brush, rinse it, and it looks good. So I'm gonna knock out the rest of them, and then we'll wash it. Alright, so I got the tires and wheels done. For the tires, I just use regular degreaser. And now let's wash it. I'm going to take my 2 gallons. Whoops. I'm going to take my 2 gallons. I've already got the soap in there and the Ultra Plush microfiber towel. So just fill it with the warm water. People didn't always use 5-gallon buckets to wash cars. They used to just use regular household buckets. But it is ideal to use the full 5 gallons. Actually, my grit guard, I left it at home. But anyway, put a grit guard in there too. So just take your tank and hose it off. Again, it's not, like I say, it's not ideal, but it's going to give you enough lubricity that you're not going to create scratches. So especially with the microfiber, the Ultra Plush microfiber towel. That's a key part of this system. So you can see it does a good job. And I just do one section of the car at a time anyway. So do the trunk and then rinse it off. I mean, because it's not a pressure washer, yeah, you know, sometimes I feel a little ridiculous standing here. It looks like I'm just about peeing on the car. Get a little more pressure here. But again, it's enough to do the job. Just rinse it off. You're not going to leave swirls. And this is a black car, so this is a good one to demonstrate on. I'm going to do a hand wax on it after this. So let me wash the rest of it, and then I'll wax it. In this clip, I'm going to wash the side. And you can see it actually sprays out pretty good. You'll notice there's not a lot of suds. Don't be concerned about this. There's plenty of lubricity. You're not going to cause holograms or swirls in the paint. This vehicle is not real dirty, but it is black, so you do want to be careful. It's almost clean enough. I could have done a dry wash on it or a dry wax, but the customer wants it washed, so you do have to wash it. Just going to rinse it off here. And then as soon as I'm done with the wash, I use an absorber to dry it. So right now, I'm going to speed things up. I'll dry it off camera, and then we'll look at the results. And now you know how I use my 3-gallon tank to wash a vehicle. Thanks for checking out today's video, the 3-gallon car wash. Little bit of clickbait there because it's actually 5 gallons, 3 gallons rinse, 2 gallons wash. But you can see in the video that Mercedes turned out real nice. Now, no, it was not filthy, and it actually looked like it might have been washed about a week ago. The majority of the dirt on the wheels was just on the inside, where it looked like somebody missed it on the last wash. If you follow my Instagram, ShineLab Detail, you'll see a Porsche Macan that I do fairly regularly, and I do that in winter when it's completely covered in salt. So I'll do a video on that. I use the same exact system, same wash system. That vehicle is black, and it has the most awesome paint on it, swirl-free, that you'll ever see. And I use the same method as I used on the Mercedes. Lots more videos coming. Today's video was made because a viewer commented that they would like to see the water tank in action. So if there's something you want to see, just let me know. My shop, my home garage shop, is almost done, so I'll be doing a video on that soon. Please follow me on Instagram, ShineLab Detail. I do also have a small line of detail products. You can check that out at shinelabdetailing.com. So that's it for today. If you liked this video or found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Take care. Have a great day.